Which meats are best for managing diabetes? If you're living with diabetes or supporting someone who is, you've probably wondered if your favorite meats are helping or hurting your blood sugar levels. It's a critical question because not all meats are created equal when it comes to diabetes management. Some meats, especially those high in saturated fats or heavily processed, can raise blood sugar, increase cholesterol, and impact heart health, factors diabetics need to watch closely. On the other hand, lean, nutrient-dense meats provide essential protein and nutrients, helping to stabilize glucose levels and support overall well-being. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 meats that are not only safe for diabetics, but also promote better health and blood sugar control. Stick around to discover how the right choices can make a big difference in managing diabetes effectively. Number 1. Skinless chicken breast, a top choice for diabetics. When it comes to managing diabetes, skinless chicken breast is an excellent option. It's incredibly low in fat, particularly saturated fat, which makes it heart healthy. Plus, it's packed with lean protein, which plays a crucial role in slowing down carbohydrate absorption. This helps to stabilize your blood sugar and prevent those sudden spikes that can be so tricky to manage. Beyond blood sugar control, skinless chicken breast offers other great nutritional benefits. It's fantastic for muscle repair and growth, important for staying active and healthy. It also keeps you feeling full longer, which can help prevent overeating and support weight management, a key factor in managing diabetes effectively. To get the most out of this superfood, preparation matters. Grilling, baking, or roasting are the best methods. These preserve the nutritional value while avoiding unhealthy oils. Skip frying, as it adds unnecessary fats and calories. Pair your chicken with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers for a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. Looking for meal ideas? Try a simple yet satisfying dish of grilled chicken breast with roasted veggies, or toss sliced chicken into a colorful salad with a light vinaigrette dressing. These options are not only delicious but also diabetes-friendly, making skinless chicken breast a staple in your diet for better blood sugar control and overall health. Number 2. Salmon and fatty fish, a must-have for diabetics. If you're managing diabetes, salmon and other fatty fish should be a regular part of your diet. Why? These fish are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Both are critical for keeping blood sugar levels steady and your overall health in check. Unlike some other proteins, salmon has a low glycemic impact, meaning it won't cause sudden blood sugar spikes. The benefits go beyond blood sugar control. Salmon is a powerhouse for heart health, which is especially important for diabetics who are at higher risk for cardiovascular issues. It also provides steady, long-lasting energy without causing crashes, keeping you fueled throughout the day. To enjoy these benefits, focus on healthy preparation methods. Grill, bake, or pan-sear your salmon with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for added flavor. These methods lock in nutrients without adding unhealthy fats or calories. A simple yet delicious option is grilled salmon paired with steamed broccoli for a nutrient-packed dinner. Or, top a fresh spinach or kale salad with a piece of baked salmon for a light but satisfying meal. By including salmon and other fatty fish in your weekly menu, you're not just supporting healthy blood sugar levels, but also protecting your heart and enjoying meals that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Number 3. Pork tenderloin, a lean and diabetes-friendly choice. Pork tenderloin is a fantastic option for diabetics looking for a satisfying and healthy protein source. Unlike fattier cuts of pork, tenderloin is low in saturated fat, making it heart healthier and a much better choice for managing blood sugar levels. Plus, it avoids the negative effects associated with processed meats like bacon and sausages, which can increase the risk of complications for diabetics. Nutritionally, pork tenderloin is a powerhouse of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. This lean protein helps keep you feeling full longer, which can aid in weight management, an important factor in diabetes control. When preparing pork tenderloin, stick to healthy cooking methods. Grilling, baking, or slow cooking are excellent options that preserve its nutritional value without adding unnecessary fats or sugars. Avoid processed varieties and heavy sauces that can introduce unwanted calories and sodium. For meal ideas, consider trying Parmesan-crusted pork medallions for a flavorful yet diabetes-friendly dinner. Another great option is slow-cooked pork tenderloin paired with non-starchy vegetables like zucchini or cauliflower. These combinations deliver a balanced, nutritious meal that supports blood sugar stability and overall well-being. By choosing pork tenderloin and preparing it thoughtfully, you can enjoy delicious meals that fit perfectly into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle while providing the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Number 4. Filet mignon, a diabetes-friendly red meat option. When it comes to red meat, diabetics need to choose wisely, and filet mignon stands out as one of the best options. It's a lean cut with minimal visible fat, making it a healthier choice compared to fattier cuts of beef. In moderation, it can be a valuable part of a diabetes-friendly diet. The key with red meat like filet mignon is balance. While it's a great source of high-quality protein to support muscle repair and energy levels, it's important not to overdo it. Portion control and mindful preparation are essential for making this indulgent choice fit into your diabetes management plan. For preparation, skip the frying and steer clear of heavy oils or butter. Instead, grill, bake, or broil your filet mignon for a healthier, yet still delicious, result. These methods help retain flavor while keeping the dish light and diabetes-friendly. For a complete, balanced meal, pair your filet mignon with non-starchy vegetables like roasted cauliflower or sautéed spinach. You can also add healthy fats like avocado slices or a drizzle of olive oil to enhance the flavor and nutrition of the dish. By enjoying filet mignon in moderation and pairing it with wholesome sides, you can savor a gourmet meal that supports your blood sugar goals and overall health. It's proof that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on delicious, satisfying foods. Number 5. Skinless white meat turkey, a diabetes-friendly protein. Skinless white meat turkey is an excellent choice for diabetics. As a low-fat, unprocessed protein source, it provides all the benefits of lean meat without the added sugars and sodium often found in deli meats. It's a healthy option that supports blood sugar management while keeping your meals flavorful and satisfying. Nutritionally, turkey is rich in niacin and selenium, two essential nutrients. Niacin supports energy production and digestion, while selenium boosts your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Additionally, turkey is low in calories, making it an ideal choice for portion control and weight management, which are critical for managing diabetes. To make the most of turkey's benefits, stick to healthy preparation methods. An herbed roast turkey breast is not only delicious, but also preserves its lean, nutrient-dense profile. Avoid frying or heavily processed turkey products that can detract from its healthfulness. For meal ideas, pair turkey with nutrient-packed sides like green beans, zucchini, or a fresh salad. These non-starchy vegetables complement the turkey perfectly, creating a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal that's satisfying and easy to prepare. Incorporating skinless white meat turkey into your diet is a simple way to enjoy flavorful meals that help you stay on track with your diabetes management goals. It's a wholesome option that delivers both taste and health benefits. Number 6. Poultry variety, a versatile and diabetes-friendly option. Poultry is a fantastic category of proteins for diabetics, offering variety and health benefits. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are staples for their low-fat content and high protein, while duck, though richer, provides healthy fats when consumed in moderation. These options not only help manage blood sugar, but also keep your meals diverse and exciting. Duck, in particular, can be a flavorful treat when prepared right. Roasting duck is a great method to retain its natural flavors while controlling the amount of added fat. For all poultry, pairing with low-carb sides like cauliflower rice or steamed non-starchy vegetables keeps the meal balanced and diabetes-friendly. Try a classic Peking or ginger duck served with diabetic-friendly sides for a flavorful dinner. Or, incorporate chicken, turkey, or duck into lighter dishes like salads, hearty soups, or quick stir-fries. These meals are not only versatile but also easy to customize with your favorite diabetes-friendly ingredients. By including a variety of poultry in your diet, you can enjoy a range of delicious, satisfying meals that align with your health goals. Whether you're grilling chicken, roasting turkey, or savoring a perfectly prepared duck dish, poultry is a smart and flavorful choice for managing diabetes. Number 7. Organ meats, a nutrient-packed option for diabetics. Organ meats might not be the first thing that comes to mind for a diabetes-friendly diet, but they're incredibly beneficial when prepared right. These nutrient-dense meats are rich in vitamins like A, D, E, K, and B12, which are essential for blood sugar regulation, immune function, and energy production. Adding organ meats to your diet is a powerful way to boost your overall health. If you're new to organ meats, start small by blending them with ground beef at a 70-30 ratio. This approach lets you enjoy the nutritional benefits without overwhelming your taste buds. For beginners, try easy dishes like burgers, meatballs, or tacos made with this mixture. Adding bold flavors like tomato sauce, garlic, or your favorite spices can help mask the taste and create a more familiar meal. For those ready to explore more advanced options, organ meats shine in globally inspired dishes. Think Vietnamese pho, with its rich broth and subtle spices, or Indian curries that balance the flavors beautifully. You can also incorporate organ meats into chili for a hearty, comforting meal, or try them in traditional German sausages for a unique twist. By incorporating organ meats into your diet, you're not just adding variety, but also supercharging your meals with nutrients that support better blood sugar management and overall health. It's a bold step toward a more balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Managing diabetes starts with making smart choices, and selecting the right meats can have a big impact on your blood sugar and overall health. From lean options like skinless chicken and turkey to nutrient-rich salmon and even organ meats, these proteins offer a variety of ways to keep your meals healthy and delicious. Before making any major changes to your diet, always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure these choices align with your health needs. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these meats are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Together, we can make healthy eating easier and more enjoyable.